2019 Jeep Rubicon JL. This is a big problem for Jeeps. It's been for mine, the sun visors. And when you pull this thing down, oh, there it goes. Yep, it's in pieces again. The other side I had fixed at the dealership. They charged me nothing because it was only 2 weeks old when it first broke. But I'm going to show you guys how to fix this thing for about pull these old screws out. Like I said, this kit comes with this Torx wrench, a little bit of blue Loctite on those, and we're gonna pull the other one out. Let's see, looks like I'm gonna have to release this, pull it out. I'm just going to do this in actual time because I see a lot of videos that just show a before and after, and it doesn't really give you much of a fighting chance if there's any problems. But I want to be candid here and make sure that you can see that it can be done even with just the little tool that they sent. So those screws are out. Grab 2 new screws. Basically this is going to go right here, but after this is put back in its position there. You see this lip here, it's going to hold it on. So you can see I'm struggling here a little bit with it, and it's because it doesn't want to stay in on its own. Almost need 2 hands to do this. Started by hand. Okay, that helps. Throw a little tool on there. I'm not going to tighten it all the way. I'm going to kind of leave it loose so I have some wiggle room to get this next screw in. Set the screw into the wrench, like so. And I'm just gonna line that hole up, screw this in, and make it nice and snug. And put an extra little bit of tightening on it to make sure it's in there. Don't want it to fall out again and then the clip bounce all over the place, and who knows. But this is pretty much it. It's like a pretty easy fix, and it's really inexpensive. I priced this particular sun visor at the dealer because it has the garage door opener in it. It's over $200, which is really not worth this cheap piece of plastic, but so happy now. Check that out. Works. You can be rough with it again. Hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe and like. There's going to be more how-to videos coming soon. Thank you. Work. Just getting ready to do the other side. And if I didn't mention it before, I'd let you know now that yours may not be broken yet, but after some use, they will eventually break. But these clips here, also prevent them from breaking. So this is a nice upgrade to put in, especially if you take your top off your Jeep constantly like I do.